Kakaleka. Leka. No.
Hello, it is another beautiful day, and today we are visiting Liberia in Ghana. Come on, there is a country in another country. So today we've discovered a Liberian restaurant located in Ghana here, and they sell Liberian food, variety of Liberian food. So today we'll be trying their food, learning how to cook it, and asking the people who prepare these food what is the history behind it and why they have such a restaurant in Ghana here. So let's jump into this video and enjoy the vibe. Come on.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Just want to welcome you to my kitchen. This is Prestige Stop by the restaurant. Yeah, just at Osu Akwaje.
Okay.
You guys are welcome. I've been watching your video on YouTube.
Oh,
different restaurant. I've been watching your video.
She has been watching our video and then she has invited us here today for us to see how she prepares her Liberian food. So come on, guys, I'm excited already. So what are we doing today?
For today, we have water greens tobagi. It's one of our local traditional food.
Please,
yeah.
You have to take your time.
There's a vegetable leaf they use for this identical soup I'm cooking right now.
And you guys call it water greens?
Water greens tobagi. Why we call it tobagi? Because when it's cooked, this is the special oil.
Okay.
This tobagi oil.
Okay.
We use for this identical food. And there's a special soda, is tobagi soda. Yeah.
Okay.
This is tobagi soda from Liberia. Yeah, we use for this food. When you put this and this inside, then it becomes tobagi.
Oh.
With the soda and the oil, when you add it to it, then it becomes tobagi.
So if we don't add it,
then it's not tobagi.
It's
just water greens.
Water greens and soup or stew?
No, water greens.
Okay.
Water green soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
So until we add this,
the oil, the tobagi oil, and the tobagi soda, then it becomes tobagi. Water greens tobagi.
How many type of tobagi do you guys have?
We have water greens tobagi. We have kettle tobagi.
Okay.
And we have tobosoy.
Hey!
We have beans tobagi.
Hold on, which one is that tobosoy? Yeah, say the name. Hey!
Yeah.
Say it again.
4 different kinds of tobagi.
Okay.
And this is water greens tobagi. Kettle tobagi.
What is kettle?
That's a small, I don't know how to describe small, but it's, the taste of it is very bitter.
Is it the smaller garden eggs? The smaller?
Very, very small, very tiny.
Do you have some here that?
No, it's finished.
It's finished, yeah?
I would love to show you, but it's finished.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you have beans tobagi.
Beans tobagi.
Beans tobagi.
Is it the regular beans that we have?
Yeah, the normal red, small red beans.
Okay.
When you cook it, then you add the soda and the oil, they become beans tobagi.
And what kind of fish is this?
This is a red snapper.
Red snapper.
Yeah, red snapper fish.
And it looks juicy already. What is that?
We spice it. We use all season mix.
Okay.
We use season oil.
Okay.
We use black pepper to spice the fish with some onion and some garlic. Liberian like very spicy food, not in the pepper.
And how much of pepper can you guys eat?
Oh, we eat a lot of pepper.
Yeah. I don't like pepper, so how am I going to manage it today's food?
You just manage it.
I'll manage it
just for today.
Please, after this video, I'm moving to Liberia.
Oh, yes. We love having you there.
Tell me a little bit about Liberia. Where is Liberia?
Liberia is in West Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, we share border with Ivory Coast, Guinea, and Sierra Leone.
Okay.
Yeah. This restaurant has been open like 3 years ago, but I had a smaller one in Osu.
Okay.
And I decided to upgrade. Yeah, open a bigger one. That's why I moved on this side.
Oh, I like the group. Do you have Liberians at all in Ghana?
Yeah, we have. There's a lot of Liberians, but all over Spintex, East Legon, Tema, Kaswa, Bulibro Camp.
And you chose to open a restaurant here that does Liberian food. What was the motivation behind it?
Yeah, because I stayed in Osu.
Okay.
And I decided that once I'm in Osu, I have to be doing something, keep myself busy.
Okay.
Yeah, so I decided to open a restaurant. The bar in a restaurant in Osu.
Okay.
At that time.
Where you guys?
Where Liberians can find, make it easy to get the food, the kind of a food to eat.
I think the oil is hot.
Yes.
So we have to start frying.
Yeah, so you can put the fish there.
Hey, I'm about to fry fish again. No. Hey.
You just have to take your time.
Okay.
At the time, yeah.
The last time, is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Just take your time.
Slowly, yeah?
Slowly. Yeah.
Hey! Today is not jumping. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, it's part of cooking.
No, I don't like this part of cooking. I like it
So
when
you have to add it.
okay.
Yeah.
So we are about to now start the actual cooking. Yes. What are we cooking again?
Fried okra with bitter ball.
Fried okra with bilabo.
Yeah, with bitter ball.
That's what we are cooking.
It's garden eggs, but we Liberian in local English we say bitter ball. Bitter ball.
Is it bitter? I mean
I'm
bitter.
speaking local Liberian English, bitter ball.
Wait, what makes Liberian has its own English?
It's just how Ghana has their local, colloquial, Nigerian. We has ours, yeah.
So it's more like a pigeon.
It's more like a pigeon.
Okay, so that's a Liberian pigeon.
Yeah, Liberian pigeon.
Okay, so in Liberian pigeon, we'll say we are cooking fried okra
With bitter ball.
with bilabo.
With bitter ball.
Bilabo.
Yeah, with bitter ball.
I'm doing well, eh?
Yeah, sure.
My accent is good, eh?
Yeah, you are trying.
Please, can you give me a Liberian citizenship?
Sure.
Oh, okay. We wait for the fire to get and the oil to get hot.
Yeah, it's already hot.
It's already hot, so I can start the frying.
Yeah, you can start the frying.
Do I have to mix it first, or?
No, you don't need to mix it.
So everything is-
in the pot. Yeah, you don't
And
mix it, yeah.
what do I put first? I'm
You
seeing
can put anything first.
anything first.
Anything first.
Okay, usually I like frying mine with onion first. Is it okay to put everything now?
Yeah, you can put everything.
Okay, so I hold it.
Yeah, you hold
and
it and you stir. Yeah,
How?
gently stir.
I should
until
gently
oil
stir. Okay.
Mix. Yeah.
Okay.
Then after we have to cover it for like 10 minutes so that it will fry.
Okay.
And we add the pepper with the onion inside to also fry. And we leave it for a little while.
The other weekend, I will enjoy myself. The way they be in the start going, I will feel myself. My money I'm finished, I'm moving for yourself.
Do you have any customers coming in?
Yes, sometimes we have Ghanaian customers who want to try Liberian food. Sometimes I have Nigerian. I want to try Liberian food. But mostly we have Liberian customers.
Is there any way that you are open for order in terms of if someone wants to order, but you don't have that on the menu?
Yeah. You just call me or you WhatsApp me
Okay.
and you tell me, you just place in your order.
Okay.
And tell me when you want it. If it's possible, I'll tell you, say yes. I can prepare it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you also available to do events and parties in case I'm having my party at home or something and I need a Liberian chef? Are you available?
Yeah,
for
sure.
such service?
Yeah, most time people order for catering. I cater for the engagement. I cater for the outdooring. I cater for the party. Yeah. Liberians don't really eat tomatoes.
Okay.
No.
So you always eat something green.
Leaves, yeah.
Okay,
If not cassava leaf, that potato greens. If not potato greens, that palava sauce.
Okay.
If not palava sauce, that collard greens. But always something leaves. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm feeling the vibes with original hits.
So Miss Precious, after adding the spices and the seasoning, what next?
After you allow something to fry,
Yeah.
a bit, maybe like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
When you notice that it has fried,
Yeah.
then the sauce from the meat you have steamed.
Yes.
You take a little bit and you add it to it so that it will cook inside it for like 10 to 15 minutes.
So
Yeah.
do you cook the meat with
With spices.
Spices
Yeah.
as well?
You cook the meat like soup. Like how I cook it
Oh.
like you can even eat it with rice.
Okay.
Yeah, you can even take it with rice. So you add it
Okay.
to the something like this.
Okay.
And you stir and leave it for some time so that it will fry.
And why do you add the sauce to it?
Yes, so that it will give the food taste.
Oh, okay.
Because I've spiced the meat already, so
Right.
the water from it you add it to it, like the food will be very tasty.
And at what point do we add the meat?
When you notice that it have dry,
Okay.
almost ready, then you add the meat so that you will not get the meat too soft.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not getting meat too soft.
Right. So what do we eat this food with?
This fried okra and bitter ball goes with rice.
With rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rice is our staple food in Liberia.
Hey, you guys eat rice as a staple food.
It's our staple food in Liberia.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we eat rice with
We eat rice with water greens, with potato greens,
Okay.
with palm butter, with collard green. Almost everything we eat rice.
I heard something say what palm what?
Palm butter. It's palm nut soup. but we call it pan butter.
Pan butter.
Pan butter.
Pan butter.
Pan butter.
Ah, for pan butter, Benny, I will break my back.
I will break my back.
Do you know any Liberian song that you can teach me? I'll love to at least get that kind of. When you were growing up, was there any song that?
Yeah, they say kaka leka,
No, take your time, take your time. Is that what?
Kaka leka,
Hold on, what does it mean?
It's just a plain song. When it was coming up, when you want to dance, you say kaka leka,
Hey, Charlie, I'm enjoying the vibe already. The food is already, but I'm already satisfied. What? Oh, thank you so much for inviting me into your kitchen and sharing this experience with me. I'm so happy, and if you are watching this video right now and you are in Ghana or you are planning on visiting Ghana, don't forget to pass by
Prestige Star Bar and Restaurant.
Prestige Star Bar and Restaurant. And where are you located?
Just opposite Sun City.
Opposite Sun City.
Between Sun City and Kingdom Bookshop.
So food is ready, and this is the fra bilabo with okra mix.
Yes,
and
exactly.
This is also the tobogi.
Water green tobogi.
Water greens tobogi.
Yeah.
So we are about to try it, and I have someone here with me today who happens to be a Liberian, and she's here to share experience with me.
Hi, my name is Patricia. Yeah, we are Preba.
Have you always been eating Liberian food?
Yeah, sure. So nice. I always patronize in her business. And today is my first soup. Water green tobogi.
Your favorite is water green.
So it's so amazing today. Today I'm going to enjoy. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy.
It's like she like the eating part too. She's just like me. She like the eating part.
Yeah.
Are you also going to use your hand?
No, I'm going to use this spoon.
You use spoon?
Yeah. This is chicken legs, the chicken feet.
Is it nice?
So delicious. So we have chicken legs, we have bunny, we have pig feet.
Okay.
And we have goat meat.
Goat meat.
So you can taste it. You're going to love it.
Alright. So food is ready, and this is how I like my own.
Yeah.
Are you not going to eat?
Oh, sure.
Please eat too.
Yeah.
It's very spicy. There's too much pepper.
Yeah, the reason why we put a little bit spicy because the okra, when you cooking your okra, you have to put a little bit spicy because the okra, if you don't put spicy, it will be like cold and you're not going to enjoy it.
So you guys, you like your food when you're eating it?
Very spicy.
The flames come out of your nose.
Not really, but we love it spicy. Yeah.
Have you ever tried any Ghanaian food before?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Ghanaian food?
I love the fufu and the pan soup because in Liberia we cook the same pan soup, so I love the fufu and pan soup. Oh, the water green is so delicious.
I want to try.
Yeah. You can try it. You're going to love it.
Can you first a little bit of it to mine?
Sure.
So I can mix it the same way I'm mixing it?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. So it has been amazing doing this episode of the street food series with what's your name again? Patricia. And Miss Precious as well, who is the owner of this place. And do your best to subscribe, like, leave a comment of the next place you would like to see being featured on this channel, and we'll do our best to cover it.
Brabby, why you taking? Oh, man, picking anything. Okay, give my Brabby bottle water like drink. When I bottle water, I'm one of my big legs. Oh, Brabby.